It is California cool. It is Bay Area cool.
It's very sultry, a little sexy.
Funky and fresh, very colorful. And that's something that you've never seen at other offices.
If you just want to come here and stay here, and on Fridays when we have happy hours, like nobody wants to leave.
You know, getting fillers to your face is a big deal, and patients can tend to feel excited but also nervous. So we wanted to create a space that encouraged the excitement, but at the same time made them feel at ease and comfortable.
And so instantly you feel welcomed.
So when I first walked into the office, I was immediately enamored with the aesthetics.
I love the vibe that we have in our office. We're here in Union Square, we've got great views.
I love all the details around every corner in this office.
We brought together a human who does a lot of the art in our office. It's hard to pinpoint my favorite. I think they all are very personalized. And then we also brought together Craig Winslow, and he does overlay, like projection art.
And it's really awesome to look at every day.
My favorite spot is the lounge.
That graffiti style kind of artwork is really cool.
Every time I come to the office, I mean, it's beautiful, the space, and they've just curated such a magical place here.